You are going to love the 2022 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic roof, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, rain sensing wipers. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.